Let me show you a coolest thing happening in Brisbane Festival right now. You have this giant light changing thing, but the interesting part is the music change as you touch. You see the touch button? How cool!
Once upon a time, in the ancient dream time of the Yagara-Turrbal people in Brisbane, in the trailing stars of the Milky Way, the Rainbow Serpent Multicolour traversed the heavens, its iridescent scale shimmering with colours of illuminated the night sky. One day, drawn by an unseen force, the Rainbow Serpent descended from the heavens, crashing down upon the ancient land of Brisbane with a thunderous roar. The impact echoed across the landscape, awakening the spirits that slumbered beneath the earth. From the heart of this celestial collision emerged Will Wimper, the angry spirit wind, whose ferocious howls threatened to unleash chaos upon the land. Sensing the impending danger, the creatures looked to their wise elder, Nieergoo, the knowledge holder, for guidance. Protect everyone, use your frilled neck, Nieergoo's voice rang out, carrying the weight of the ancient wisdom and authority. The frill-neck lizard answered the call, spreading his magnificent frill wide to shield his kin from Will Wimper's fury. Alongside him, Ruska the honeybee buzzed with determination, rallying her fellow insects to join the defense. Despite the howling winds and the lashing rain, they stood firm, their spirits unyielding against the storm. With Binangurang's frill neck and the united efforts of the creatures of Brisbane, a barrier was formed against the raging tempest. Rainbow Serpent ascended back to the heavens, its radiant form disappearing into the night sky, it left behind a legacy, a legend that would be passed down through the generations. Crayfish at Martyr Hill, Will Whimper, the windstorm near Roma Street Parklands, Cootha, the honeybee, towering up Mount Cootha, Mareel, the old auntie at Spring Hill, and Binangurang, the frill-neck lizard at Highgate Hill. The spirit of the Dreamtime lives on. The legend of the Rainbow Serpent Mundagara and the great battle of Will Whimper, the wind spirit,